Welcome to my channel.
Good morning.
Good morning. How can I help you today?
I have an appointment with Dr. Kim at 10 o'clock.
Sure. What's your name, please?
Alex Brown.
Yes, Mr. Brown. Please take a seat.
Thank you. How long is the wait?
About 10 minutes. The doctor is finishing another patient.
No problem. I'll wait.
Would you like some water while you wait?
Oh, yes, please. That would be nice.
Here you go.
Thanks a lot.
Mr. Brown, Dr. Kim will see you now.
Okay, thank you.
Good morning, Alex. What brings you in today?
Hi, doctor. I've had a sore throat since yesterday and some coughing.
Any fever or headaches?
A little cough, but no fever. My voice feels dry, too.
Let me check your throat. Open wide, please. It's a bit red, but nothing serious. Do you smoke or drink cold drinks often?
No, not really. I drink coffee every morning, though.
That's fine. It looks like mild irritation. You might have a small infection.
Oh, I see. Should I take antibiotics?
No, not yet. I'll give you throat tablets and warm salt water advice.
Okay.
Also, rest your voice for a couple of days. Avoid shouting or singing.
Got it. I'll be quiet for once.
That's good. Any allergies?
None that I know of.
Great. Here's your prescription. Take one tablet every 8 hours after meals.
Okay. And if it doesn't get better?
Come back in 5 days or sooner if you get a fever.
Thanks, doctor. I appreciate your help.
You're welcome. Feel better soon.
Hi there. Hello, how can I help you? I just came from Dr. Kim's clinic. I need to fill this prescription. Sure, let me take a look. Throat tablets and lozenges. Yes, that's correct. Would you like sugar-free lozenges or regular ones? Regular, please. All right. Do you prefer tablets or syrup? Tablets, please. I don't like the syrup taste. Got it. Take one tablet every 8 hours. Drink lots of water. Okay. Should I eat before taking it? Yes, always after meals. Good to know. How much is everything? $12.50. Total. Here's my card. Tap right here, please. Done. Here's your receipt and the medicine. Thank you. If the sore throat doesn't improve, see your doctor again. Yes, I will. Thanks for the advice. You're welcome. Take care and get well soon.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Who are you visiting?
My friend Daniel Lee, room 214.
Okay, one moment. Visiting hours are open until 6.
Perfect. Can I bring these flowers in?
Yes, just no food, please.
Got it. Thank you.
Hey, Daniel.
Hey, Alex, you made it.
Of course. How are you feeling?
Better today. The nurse said I might go home tomorrow.
That's great news. What happened exactly?
Appendix surgery. Quick one, but still painful.
Ouch, I can imagine. Here, I brought you some flowers.
Thanks, man. They look nice.
Did the doctor say when you can eat normal food again?
Tomorrow morning. Right now, it's just soup and tea.
That's tough. I hope you recover soon.
Thanks, Alex. I'm already feeling better seeing a friend. You're welcome.
The nurses here are really kind too.
That's good. Hospitals can be scary sometimes.
Yeah, but this one's clean and calm.
Good to know. I'll stay a few minutes. Don't get too tired.
No problem. It's nice to chat.
Okay, I'll let you rest. Call me if you need a ride home tomorrow.
Thanks. I might take you up on that.
Get well soon, buddy.
See you soon, Alex.
Good morning.
Good morning. How may I help you today?
I'd like to open a savings account.
Sure. Do you have your ID?
Yes, here's my driver's license.
Thank you. Please take a seat and fill this form.
Okay.
Are you a student or working full-time?
I work full-time.
Perfect. Our savings account gives 3% interest per year.
Sounds good. Is there a minimum deposit?
Yes, $100 to start.
Okay, here's the cash.
Thank you. Do you want online banking access too?
Yes, definitely.
I'll set that up. You'll get your debit card in 5 days.
Great. Can I also open a credit card later?
Of course. You can apply once the account is active.
Perfect. How long does it take to process?
Only 24 hours. Awesome. Thanks for explaining everything. You're welcome, Mr. Brown. Here's your receipt. Have a great day. You too.
Hi there.
Hello. What can I get for you?
A medium latte, please.
Hot or iced?
Hot. And one croissant.
Sure thing. Anything else?
Actually, can I get oat milk instead of regular?
Of course. That'll be $8.20.
Here's my card.
Tap here.
Done.
Thank you. Your order number is 42.
Thanks.
Latte for Alex?
That's me.
Here you go. Enjoy.
Thanks. It smells great.
You come here often?
Yeah, a few times a week. I like the quiet vibe.
Good afternoon.
Hello. How can I help you?
I need to send this package to Canada.
Sure. Standard or express?
Express, please.
Please fill out this customs form.
Okay. How long will it take?
3 business days.
Perfect. Here's the address.
Thank you. Do you want insurance for the package?
Yes, it's a gift. Better to be safe.
Okay, that's $38 total.
Here's my card.
Payment approved. Here's your tracking number.
Thanks so much.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
Hi there. Hello. Do you have a library card? Not yet. I'd like to get one. Sure. Please fill out this form. Okay. Do you have ID with you? Yes. Here you go. Perfect. Here's your card. Thanks. Can I borrow books today? Yes, up to 4 at a time. Great. I'll take these 2. They're due back in 2 weeks. Perfect. Enjoy your reading. Thanks, I will. Goodbye.
Hey there. Hello. Are you a member? Not yet. I'd like to join. Great. We have monthly and yearly plans. How much is the monthly plan? $40 per month, no contract. Sounds fair. Do you want an orientation today?
Yes, please.
Follow me. I'll show you around. This is the cardio area, treadmills and bikes. Nice. Looks clean. Here's the weight section and stretching zone.
Cool. Do you have showers?
Yes, down that hallway. Perfect. I'll start today. Welcome to the gym, Alex. Thanks.
Finally home.
What a long day.
Doctor, pharmacy, hospital, bank, coffee shop, post office, library, gym.
All in one day?
I need a break.
Maybe some tea and a good book.
It feels good to be home.
Oh, a message from Daniel. He's out of the hospital.
That's great news.
Tomorrow will be another busy day.
But for now, time to rest.
Good night.